Yeah. Wow. What's up, guys? Welcome to the vlog. It's your boy Tata here. I know it's been a while since I posted a video. You see me? Voila. I'm start off from already, brother. See the gang there? That's you are the gang. Alright. Anyway, so the Frenchman Coves beach. We just arrived. Hello.
Good morning.
How was the water?
Oh, nice.
Okay. See that? Yeah, craziness.
Some half Jamaican picnic.
Half? But you're not Jamaican, brother, you're African. Who create them, eh? What's the cheapest thing right there, sir?
Really? That's how you
If you know. The cheapest thing if you know. Bracelet them, I get a $5 grand one.
Them have 5 and that baby crab.
Less than that.
Why is there a crab on this?
I must sell the crab to my friend.
It's a crab. This is.
Wow, this is so pretty.
There, broke people that you know watch them. The broke client, you know they can't afford people to be something now look. Hello. Watch her. You have what? Oh. Oh, for you, man.
How much?
What's the price range, sir? I'm not right, I'm not good still. Pipe them myself one bag of thing. You see?
How much for this? Wait a minute. How much one on the bracelet then?
Look on the man.
How much for the one with the tea then?
She not bad, don't do that.
How much for the nail?
She's just me. She probably buy.
Eh?
She probably buy. Trust me.
Hola. Why are you in uniform? Why are you in uniform? Okay. Yeah. I beach this my friend see me share them rich. Yo, tell me rich. Hold that your cough. Am I saying anything tough? Ice and chaser.
You know, you make certain crustaceans and creatures. No, we don't. Soaking. You don't know them ways?
Yeah.
You're not African.
I don't suppose that's so. Oh, me stay so bad. Me don't upload for I just come back with a vlog out of the blues. Like say, yeah, me upload for regular time. No. Hush. Alright. Beach look good, man. I'm afraid. Be a craziness. Everybody me a trouble today. Be a prank, me a prank today. My friend! What left? Instagram man them out.
Ready? I took 3.
Yeah, so I get some food, you see me? Cornbread. I like carlo, coconut, cabbage. Yeah, tasty. Yeah, and yeah, my tonchina mermaid. So she gonna laugh. Look at that. Oh, anyways, we're going to a different beach, to Boston Beach now. Yeah, we're going to fly out from Jamaica, we're going to Boston. We don't have French no more. They have Boston now. Our friends, that should say. Anyways, yeah, if I keep checking, see, I'm not doing much on the beach them, but see that do yeah, that's how I like it. Off the beach. Better we come from Jerk Port next, isn't it? So just stay tuned for that. Yeah, so we pull up at Boston Jerk Center. Boston Jerk Center?
Yeah.
Yeah, come. 350 water pole. You see, say port down tough, you know, you say it's a soon. Climb that one piece of this up. Climb that one piece of down. That might be safe. How much is that? 350? Yeah.
Something you can fly around it. What's that? Them boys, man.
I don't pay for that.
You can't touch the money. It's hard and then it's right out.
Overstand.
Yes, man. Yes, I'll tell you.
Watch out. Okay. You care now? Shake me up, man. Drink too much water. You couldn't wait. The man, and I real note, what is this? Look at it. Look a bit down. So much money.
I really don't appreciate that I don't use space.
Exactly.